Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
An innovative way to clean laundry. We are people from different worlds. Whether you are fishing or doing household activities, taking care of your cleanliness is important for you and others. There are moments, though, when life gets in the way of that, such as wanting to show off your new catch or needing to quickly refresh your washcloths and cleaning supplies. You need something that is quick, easy, and portable. We present to you a new prosthetic washing machine, accessible wherever you are and at whatever time you need. All it takes is loading your clothes or cloths in, water, and one press of a button. The water spitter takes 2 liters of water. Whether you need a 10, a 15, or 20-minute wash, the water spitter is available to be adjusted to any of your cleaning needs and can be drained easily through the opening of a valve or automatically. The choice is yours. After your clothes are done washing, the water spitter can spin dry your items for 10 or 15 minutes. Or dry for 120, 180, or 300 minutes. Easy to work and easy to carry. This washing machine will solve all your problems at home or on the go. With several washing modes and drying capability, this machine allows you to quickly and efficiently clean your linens.
Spending lots of time and money to use laundromats to wash your clothes. When you've got no time to do your laundry and no washing machine to do it, or you just need to wash a few things, you'll have to spend a lot of time and effort to handle your laundry problem. Easy Wash is your perfect solution. Thanks to its special suction cups, Easy Wash is easily attached to the floor. It attaches tightly to any surface. Its special attachment technology allows you to spin the handle of the machine using minimum effort. Easy Wash's handle has very sturdy and durable attachments. Easy Wash is created not just for a convenient wash, but also for a thorough wash. Thanks to the special drum geometry and whirlpool, Easy Wash handles even the most persistent stains. A special cap easily drains water after the wash. By changing the handle, Easy Wash is easily switched to its spin drying mode. Washing with Easy Wash takes only a few minutes, which I'm sure you'll agree is a lot quicker than going to the laundromat. Easy Wash completely washed away the stain on our white shirt in just one wash. Easy Wash is suitable for all types of fiber: underwear, wool, children's clothing, casual clothing, towels, and so much more. Easy Wash is compact and easy to use, not just at home, but also when you're away from home.
Chef top-loading compact washer in white with silver trim offers a slim and space-saving design. A lifesaver for homes with limited room and smaller wash loads. It's equipped with modern attributes such as a durable stainless steel wash tub, a digital control panel with soft touch control buttons and indicator lights, and a lift and folding top lid with an integrated viewing window. Likewise, the performance features include 6 automatic wash cycles, 6 water level selections to deliver flexible cleaning options and fabric care, and a pulsator, which generates strong and weak water flows that rotate your clothes for a more even wash. Near the end of the wash and rinse cycles, the water is extracted from both the tub and garments by spinning up to 800 RPMs, while operating quietly thanks to its noise reduction design. Its convenience amenities include a delayed start feature, which begins the selected cycle anytime you desire, along with the LED display, which relays the remaining time of the selected wash cycle. The washer automatically shuts off when the selected program finishes, as the end of cycle signal alerts you. Front leveling legs help stabilize the washer on uneven surfaces, while the built-in rear wheels provide placement flexibility before and after use. Plus, it easily connects to your faucet with the included Quick Connect adapter kit and hoses. So stop collecting quarters. This compact washer will relieve you of the difficulties experienced at the laundromat.